Today we're having another builder box training session, and we're so happy to have today Vishal Shah. He's with Georgia Pacific Gypsum, and you're going to talk about something that's a big deal now. You're going to talk about DensGlass, DensShield, all those products, but more importantly, the shaft liner products and how they're used. Tell us what you're going to be talking about today, Vishal.
Right on. So first and foremost, I'm going to cover off on Georgia Pacific's Dens Suite overall. So all the products that fit in that Dens category. And then on top of that, we're going to do more of a deep dive into the area separation wall assembly. So that's our DensGlass shaft liner product. But within that, we're going to talk about all the components involved and why it's important in multifamily homes, which is a very, very large piece of the marketplace right now.
And Vishal, here in the state of Florida with the fire codes that's now in place and the new codes, DensGlass and DensShield and the shaft liner product, these are critical elements in construction. I know there's a lot of questions about them and you're going to provide a lot of answers.
So I like calling it the gold standard because DensGlass Gold is gold on the building. You see it everywhere. There are other products out there that are similar, but Dens is the one that was the first.
Vishal, thank you so much. Thank you to Georgia Pacific for being here. And be sure when we have our Builders Box lunch training programs that you sign up because they're absolutely free to Romac Building Supply customers. Until next time, we'll see you at another Builders Box lunch.
From foundation to rooftop, Romac's got you covered.